So what we'll do is we'll make some bird lures out of this blueberry, the dianella, or turutu, and what you do is you just gently peel aside the outer leaves. They don't always work, but you just keep trying until you get a good one. So just peel these aside, and the plant stays intact, so just breaking off the side leaves and leaving the plant where it is.
So show us what you've got there.
And so I've got this little blade of blueberry, and in cross section it's like that. So and what happens is when you suck it, the little membranes vibrate and produce the sound.
So you're breathing
So
in when you...
like a little reed, so you suck through it. Oh, rather than chasing that fantail. The robins arrived now. So these are live mealworms that we just keep in a mixture of bran. So this bird here is colour banded, and the bands on this one. So it's orange, metal, red, yellow, OMRY, and that's the female of this pair. And so she's eating the worms. If she had chicks, she'd probably gather a whole mouthful of them and then fly straight off to the nest. But this stage of the season is really early, so there's not a lot of the birds are nesting yet. And what she'll probably do is she'll eat a few and then she'll start caching them. So they actually store the food around the territory, and they'll come back later. And so she's popping it in the leaf bases of that cabbage tree at the moment.
Ah, I
So
see.
she'll just pop them in there, and then she'll come back later and get them. They must have a good memory, good spatial memory. They seem to find them, and sometimes you find these little caches of worms on a log or in a little notch in a tree, and these sort of semi-moribund worms, and I'm sure other birds will come along and steal them, if they find them. So he's come back from
He's come back for more.
Yeah.